Well, thank you very much. It's a great honor to be with a friend of mine, really for a long time now, if you think about it. The very, very distinguished and respected President of China. And we will be having some discussions. I think we've already agreed to a lot of things, and we'll agree to some more right now. But President Xi is a great leader of a great country, and I think we're going to have a fantastic relationship for a long period of time. And it's an honor to have you with us. Thank you very much.
Nako mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, ito pa lang, si Donald Trump at si Xi Jinping ay magkaibigan. Kanya itong kinikilala na greatest president of China. So, kaibigan ang dalawang malalaking bansang ito, US at saka China. Samantalang, itong ating Pangulo ng Pilipinas ay galit na galit sa China. At isa pang kahayagan, ayaw talaga ng US na ang namumuno sa bansa ay corrupt. Inahalimbawa niya ang China. Tingnan nyo, mataas ang tingin niya sa China dahil hindi sila corrupt.